Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom of Ayurveda. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. In this video, we will discuss will neem helps to beat COVID-19. Currently, COVID-19 has infected millions of people and several people have lost their lives. So, urgent need to find an antiviral agent that may slow down the spread of the virus. Recently, the study was published in which it was found that the Malaysia hydride and the compound from neem leaves may be the potential treatment option against COVID-19. Also, King's George Medical University, Lucknow is now focusing on Ayurveda along with the modern medicine. The professor of physiology of KGMU University is researching on neem leaf and recommending the use of neem leaf decoction. This decoction is prepared by taking 10 to 12 neem leaves, wash them thoroughly with clean water and boil them in 2 cups of water till half part is left. It is recommended to drink half cup of decoction regularly. So why they are focusing on neem leaf? In one of the previous study, during molecule docking of neem, 3 potential compounds are identified, that is nimbaflavone, rutin and hyproside. These compounds have been identified for their potential against influenza virus strains to be utilized as universal drug. On basis of this, KGMU University is working on chemical constituents of neem and the research related to structure of coronavirus. Coronavirus has spike proteins and need ACE2 receptor for its attachment to human body. Lungs are the main organs affected as it has plenty of ACE2 receptors in the alveoli cells. Till now, it was found that the two chemical constituents of neem, that is hyproside and nimbaflavanone, block the ACE2 receptor in early stages and virus would not reach to the patient cell. Also, it helps to prevent the multiplication of virus in early stages, hence as a result, decrease the spread of virus from one cell to the another cell. This study requires further consideration and validation, so they are working on detailed research on neem leaf. With this, if we talk about the safety of neem, then acute toxic study was done on neem leaf and on the basis of study, it was found that it exhibit acute toxicity. So ID50 of neem leaf is very important. Also, in one previous study that was published in Journal of Ethnopharmacology, it was reported that neem leaf extract inhibit the growth of dengue virus and the viral hemorrhagic fever related to Ebola virus. So, further study on neem leaf is important. With proper research on its chemical constituents like hyproside and after proper toxicity study for evaluating the right dose, this herb will work for sure as a miracle. Hope for the positive results. Stay safe, stay healthy.